Hi, in this video we'll see how to scaffold the front-end web application. The only prerequisite we need is nodejs. Let's download it from nodejs.org. Here on click of this button, you can download the latest version of nodejs, which is stable. As of now, I'm cancelling the download as I've already downloaded the file and kept it on my desktop for our usage. Well, if you want to download the previous versions of Node, you can click on the downloads and then the previous releases, which will take you to the page where all the node versions are listed out, and you can download whichever the version you want as per your requirement. Now let's install the node.js using this MSI file that we already downloaded. Click on run, next, accept the terms, next. Here it's being shown like the folder where the node.js is being installed, and this particular MSI file will install the node.js runtime npm, and it will add the path to the environment variables as well. Click on next, install, and then finish it off. Well, if you install the node.js, it will come with npm as well. They are not two different tools, but they are single. But npm will be of different version and node will be of different version. We'll see that. Now let's go to system properties and click on advanced system settings, environment variables. Click on path and edit it. After editing, here you can see that the node.js path is being appended to the path variable, and it's better to set this path as well, update our roaming and npm, as some of the node modules might require this path. Click on OK. Now let's open command prompt and check npm version with npm ---- version command. You can see that npm version is 2.15.8, and now let's check node version, node ---- version, and it is 4.4.7. If you observe, we install only node, but we got npm and node. They are not different. Well, now I should tell you about Yeoman, which is a tool that provides the scaffolding for all the latest JavaScript frameworks like React, Angular, and etc. You can install this Yeoman using npm install -g. Yo -g is for global installation. And here you can see the generators that Yeoman is being provided. There are 3,987 generators, which will provide the scaffolding for all modern web applications with all the new technologies like React, Angular, normal web application with build tools like Gulp, Grunt, Webpack, and all. And we can create scaffolding for mobile applications as well, like Ionic framework with Angular. And you can see here all the generators which are related to Angular. And these are the generators which are related to Express, like, and these are for React, and these are for Webpack. Like all these have used Webpack as their build tool. Well, now let's install Yeoman with npm install -g yo. I'm installing gulp and bower as well. Gulp is a build tool, and bower is the tool which keeps track of all the third-party libraries like bootstrap or angular, etc. And we need to install gulp and bower globally as well. Oops, there's some error. What is it? Okay, I've typed instead of CLI. To install gulp, we need to use a command gulp -cli. npm install -g yo space gulp -cli space bower. This will install all the three packages globally. This will take some time. Meanwhile, we'll check out the generators in Yeoman. That's our web app which we are going to install as part of this video. You can see that scaffolding out the front-end web application. And here is the GitHub repo for that Yeoman generator, web app generator. Not yet done. Let me pause the video for some time as it takes some time. Yeah, here it is. We've got all the three, Yeoman, Gulp and Bower. Let me clear the screen. Now we'll try to install Yo space web app. Now before doing that, we need to install generator-web app, which will provide the web app generator for us using a command npm install -g generator-web app. This will install generator-web app globally, like web app generator. We can install this also with the Yeoman, Gulp and Bower. I forgot to do that. Well, it's being installed. Yeah, here it is. And now Yo space web app. That will create the folder structure for our web application. Oh, let me stop it because if you type it here, it will install in users folder where you'll get confused. Let us create a separate folder for that. Stop. Control-C. Yeah, let me create a separate folder for that with the name sample. Open the command prompt here in this location and type yo space web app. And you can see in the background the folder structure is being created. Okay, it's asking us which third-party library you are going to use, like CSS library, that is Sass, Bootstrap or Modernizer. Let me go with Bootstrap and TDD or BDD. I'm going with TDD, and you can see all the folders have been created in sample folder. And here in the command prompt it is telling us I'm all done running npm install and bower install. By default, this generator is this command itself will install npm, will do npm install and bower install, which will install all the node modules and bower components that are required for this application. That means which are configured as part of package.json and bower.json as of now, because these are the basic things that are required. Yeah, this is done. Here you can see all the bower components got installed, and inside the bower components you can see Bootstrap, Chai, Mocha, Modernizer and jQuery have been installed. As we selected TDD, it has installed Chai and Mocha, and this is node modules. Now let's do a gulp serve. By default, it will provide you the gulp file as well, which is pre-configured. I'm entering the command gulp serve, which will launch our application in localhost 9000. You can see that it is bundling or minimizing the styles, scripts and fonts, etc. Well, it's serving in the port localhost 9000, and you can see our Chrome is already started. And here you can see that the dist folder have been created. All the minimized files will be here, and here in localhost 9000 you can see the application that Yeoman is providing us, like default page with one jumbotron, one splendid button, and all the three navigation menu: home, about and contact, etc. And as we gave sample as a folder, it's taking sample as project name as well. Let me stop it and do it again, gulp serve, so that you can see the command itself automatically triggering the browser. Yep, here it comes, localhost 9000. And we'll see the folder structure. Here in the app folder we'll have folders like images, scripts and styles, wherein we'll keep all the controller services in scripts file, css files in styles, and all the images in images folder, etc. We can download our Angular files using bower install Angular. Yeah, that's all about this video. Thank you.